Most people fail at Hindi because they try to translate word for word from English. Let's fix it. Sentence structure. वाक्य संरचना in Hindi. Let's learn fundamental difference between Hindi sentence structure and English sentence structure. In English, subject comes first, then verb in the middle, and object in the end. But in Hindi, subject comes first, then comes object in the middle, and verb in the end. Let's learn this difference with example. In the bottom, we can see English sentence structure where subject comes first, then verb and object in the end, which is I eat food. I, subject, eat, verb, which is in the middle, and food, object, which is in the end of the sentence. Now, if we come to the Hindi sentence structure at the top, here subject comes first, then object and verb in the end. So here's an example. मैं खाना खाता हूँ. मैं, which is I, a subject, which is at the start of the sentence. Khana, which is object, that means food, in the middle. Khata hu means eat, which is verb in the end. If we translate this as it is in the English sentence, it will become I food eat. I food eat is grammatically incorrect in English, but I just added here to explain you the Hindi sentence structure. Some of the examples to understand it more. मैं पानी पीता हूँ. I drink water. मैं means I. पानी means water. पीता हूँ means drink. मैं पानी पीता हूँ. In English, if you see, it's I drink water. When it comes to Hindi, it becomes I water drink. One more example. मैं चाय पीता हूँ. I drink tea. मैं means I. चाय means tea. पीता हूँ means drink. मैं चाय पीता हूँ. In English, it is I drink tea. But when it comes to Hindi, it becomes I tea drink. Next example. मैं हिंदी पढ़ाता हूँ. I teach Hindi. मैं, that means I. Hindi is the language, name of the language. पढ़ाता हूँ means teach. मैं हिंदी पढ़ाता हूँ. In English, it is I teach Hindi. For the Hindi, it becomes I Hindi teach. Make sure you practice this again till you understand this perfectly.